this is an honor to be a part of the alumni meet here at Bangalore Chapter 2.0, where nostalgia meets all the fun, and we all are gathered here to be a part of it. Make some noise for the man who is a leader, the man who has a heart, and the man is none other than Dr. Manoj Goyal sir.
So good evening everyone. It's really truly a matter of pride and happiness to be here with you all in this beautiful city of Bangalore, surrounded by our own alumni, KITE alumni. I welcome all the alumni in this hall along with their spouse and children. I welcome Dr. Adesh Pandey, Director Academic, Dr. Vineet Sharma, Dean CSC, Dr. Ashish Karanwal, Dean Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Ms. Pankaj Dhupar, Head CRPC, Director CRPC, Dr. Abhinav Juneja, and my special welcome to KITE Alumni Association members, all members of KITE Alumni Association, President Mr. Shivam, Mr. Kumar, and everyone of KA Alumni Association. First of all, I would like to thanks to KA members and the alumni volunteer from Bangalore, especially Mr. Aman and his team also. I don't remember other name, but I know along with Aman there were 3-4 other alumni also. Those who volunteer and take lot of efforts to make this day happen, and because of them only we are today here to celebrate this evening. Thank you very much everyone for your efforts. My dear all, I all see this for me. आप सब, मुझे लगता है कि मैं काइट जब शुरू हुआ था या जब हम लोग आइडिया हमारे माइंड में था कि हम एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज खोलेंगे, सिंस देन आई एम एसोसिएट विद काइट एंड आई नेवर टेक एनी पोजीशन इन दैट वे. फॉर मी आई स्टार्टेड काइट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एज ए फर्स्ट एम्प्लॉय ऑफ काइट ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन. और मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा जो खुशी का मोमेंट होता है और जो है आज मैं महसूस कर पा रहा हूँ कि टू सी द सक्सेस ऑफ आवर एलुमनाई. किसी भी कॉलेज का, किसी भी, चाहे वो IITs हैं, NITs हैं, किसी भी कॉलेज की सक्सेस उनके एलुमनाई पे है. एंड टुडे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड कॉन्फिडेंट that our alumni are, have made their places in their respective field and success in their life. And I wish all the very best for all your future endeavors and all the success for you all. एक बार फिर I will suggest that, whatever way possible, our relationship should not be as a former students of KITE. It should be more than that. And when I say more than that, I feel that now you all are in a position to contribute by way of whatever way you can do. According to me, there are 3 ways. One is your mentorship to the students, to the current students. And we can have some collaboration with your industries, and that is how your college is constantly evolving. And when I say evolving, Dr. Adesh Pandey has just shared that your college now, like we are an autonomous institution, more than 9,000 students is the total strength of the college, and very soon I want to make this announcement in front of you all that by next year your college is going to be deemed university, and it's central university, not any particular state university. It's going to be a central university, and wherein your college will have campuses anywhere nationally. So in this continuous endeavor of ours, we need your support, your connection for the juniors, and I hope you will continue to give your support. At the end, I will make one request to you all to please become the member of Kite Alumni Association. That will give lot of strength to us. We want to share each and everything happening in the college just for keeping you updated. Thank you very much once again. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much for coming and sparing your time. Thank you very much.
Very good evening to all present in this hall. Honorable Joint Director, Dr. Manoj Goel, Dean CAC, Dr. Binish Sharma, Dean Mechanical, Dr. Ashish Karnwal ji, President Kite Alumni Association, Mr. Shivam Shukla, and other office bearers of KA. My dear alumnus, their spouses, kids, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pride and joy to welcome you all this alumni meet of the Bangalore chapter. I welcome you all on behalf of KIT management, students, faculty and staff. I was thinking, should I write something for my students? Because I am a teacher. As you moved on in your life, from a young graduate to be a man, married man, contributing in the society as an entrepreneur, professional, researcher, or social change maker. But one thing has not changed: your association with the KIT group of institutions. Because it is written on your degree. If you are moving from one place to another place, one company to another place, always one thing is common, that is your alma mater, the connection with your alma mater. So, अगर हम अपने पूरे KIT को एक एज्यूम करें, तो क्या हम अपने सारे कोरिलेशंस, मेरा कोरिलेशन, जो हमारे प्रीवियस डायरेक्टर्स हैं, हमारे ऑनरेबल जॉइंट डायरेक्टर हैं, हमारा मैनेजमेंट है, तो हाउ टू एस्टैब्लिश दैट कोरिलेशन? सो आई थॉट ऑफ इट्स लाइक ए बिग ट्री. किसी भी ट्री का जो पहचान है, एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, इट इज दैट फ्रूट्स एंड फ्लावर्स. द क्वालिटी ऑफ ट्री इज डिसाइडेड बाय द एट्रीब्यूट्स एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. So if I establish the analogy as a teacher, the KIT is a big tree. So roots are our management, because they are strong, grounding and constantly nurturing all of us for their constant support. The Joint Director, Dr. Manoj Goel, is sitting over here. He is a stem, connecting, supporting the growth of every aspect of life, for yours, ours also. The directors, deans, HODs and non-functional heads are branches of a tree. They are reaching out, giving direction and shapes to all of you. And all of you, the students, alumni, those who are passed out from KIT, are flowers and fruits. Dear friends, with the quality and fruits and flowers, the attributes of tree is decided. In the same way, the KIT is KIT because of you. The quality of these fruits and flowers, they define the greatness of the tree. In the same way, it is you, your achievement, your values, your contribution to the society define the KIT group of institutions. I thank you on behalf of management, the entire student, the present in the KIT, those who are passed down from the KIT, and all staff and faculty members for the same to you all. Your presence today in this hall is a testimony that your roots are still connected with the KIT. As you have seen in the video, that in year 2024, we became autonomous. You might have faced several challenges in your academics while you were in affiliate system. Now we got autonomy, and we got academic autonomy. When I say academic autonomy, so we have autonomy to connect industry personnel more in our teaching learning process. I invite you all on behalf of all of us, whenever you feel you have a time to connect in online mode or offline mode, or you're visiting the NCR, you are most welcome to our campus and have an interaction with all of us, with the students. Dear friends, you are in industry and we are looking forward to all of you to learn from you. Those were the days we were teaching you. And now, as a director academics, as a deans, HODs, our joint director, everybody is open. Our minds are open to learn from everyone, wherever we can, for the welfare of our students. So, I invite you all, whenever you have a time, please do visit your alma mater. Feel connected, we are a family. कितने ही साल बीत जाएं, आप इस KIT family के part होंगे. So thank you very much for coming over here with your spouses and kids. And believe us, your alma mater is in a safe hand. We are progressing very well. Your placement, testimonies that we are attracting students. When this college started, till 2015, we were attracting students mostly from NCR and the UP. You will be surprised to know and will be happy that today in last 2 years, I was part of admission also, admission team. And the student from Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai, the far part of Maharashtra also, and other places are coming to study in the KIT. So that is because of you, because you are a brand ambassador of our institutions. Thank you very much. Please keep growing. Be in contact with your alma maters. Thank you very much.
So those who have been a part of KIT before 2015, let's go with that. Before 2015. All right. It's great to have all of you here. So we have a lot of you who are a part of KIT before 2015. That's wonderful. Please, all of you just come here. All of you here. Okay, that's great. So this is actually, I was not expecting so many of you. Really. It's a shock for me because I was not expecting all of you, so many of you. But it's really great. Now that all of you are here, I want you to at least say within 30 seconds, I want you to say something about KIT in one word. And louder, you have to scream louder. So it could be the adjectives that you can go on with, not just like awesome, wonderful. I don't want that. So each one of you think of a word quickly and shout it louder. And rest, all of you, you will be telling me, yes, it is right with your applauses. Okay? So, ready? One word, how you describe KIT?
Unforgettable.
Come on, as they say, we'll be giving them applause.
Source of talent. Family.
Family, okay, come on.
Like a family. And I just want to...
I want to say one thing, sir. You can't repeat. So each one of you will come up with one word.
Just one thing. Actually, in 2004, KIT was the only institute providing the free internet to the hostel.
How many of you love the free internet? How many of you? Come on, give him a huge round of applause, sir. Yes.
To add to, in 2004, Reliance was launched and it was the only one with the free connection also, so for many things otherwise as well. So free calling between each other.
Free calling between each other. I'll come back to that point now.
Unforgettable journey.
Missing the back benches, those were the days.
Sir, are you still a backbencher today? Are you still sitting in the back? I'll come back to the backbencher.
Nostalgic.
Nostalgia. Come on, let's keep the applauses going on. Everybody, I'm making it fast. Don't worry.
Lifelong memories.
Lifelong memories. Yes.
Nostalgic.
No, I won't go with that word. He already said nostalgia. So let's come up with a new word. Something different that you feel like.
Great experience.
Great experience. This is what we are looking forward to. Yes, sir.
Education with a lot of fun.
Education is a lot of fun. I'll come back to you on that note again, sir. Please step forward and yes, tell me.
Mesmerizing.
Mesmerizing.
Golden memories.
Whoa, come on. Let's keep the applauses going on.
KIT was life.
KIT was life. 4 years of wonderful life. Yes, sir.
Wonderful experience.
Wonderful experience. I think somebody already said wonderful experience. So let's come up with another word.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay, I'll take it both.
It was game changer.
It was then and it will be for us, our life. It changed our life. And Kite is a game changer for many of us. And in future also it will be game changer.
So it's a game changer and it will be a game changer. Sir, can I have you say one word for KIET?
कुछ बचा तो नहीं है खास।
अरे कुछ भी बोल दीजिए आप, बहुत कुछ है अभी KIET के बारे में बोलने के लिए।
बोल दो
कुछ भी, आप आगे आ जाइए सर। पहले तो आप सभी एक बार आपको देखना चाहते हैं।
KIT हमारे लिए एक खूबसूरत लम्हे था। सब कुछ देखा, सब कुछ किया, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा।
Wow, that's beautiful. Yes, sir.
From boys to men.
From boys to men. Come on, for all the men who are standing over here. Yes.
So for me, Kite is life is like a rainbow. I learn, study, I enjoy over there. Everything, whatever I have today, it's just because of KIT.
Beautiful. So KIET life is rainbow. Sir, can I have you here? Please come.
Source of opportunities.
Source of opportunities.
One of the best private institutions.
Whoa, okay.
Eventful.
Eventful.
Togetherness.
Togetherness. मैं जान रही हूँ एक्चुअली आपके थ्रू ही मुझे KIET के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता लग रहा है.
Lifelong friends.
Lifelong friends. So you're with your friends all over here. Okay, great.
So it's like a trigger and platform for life. That's what KIT is.
Platform for life and friends. Good.
Sports for Kite.
Great. You?
Happiness with lots of memory.
Happiness with lots of memories.
Flying high like a kite.
Whoa, everybody, come on, let's fly high. Yes.
I think it made us what we are today actually. So it's a beautiful journey I think we had in Kite.
Great.
Stepping stone to success.
Stepping stone to success. Great, sir.
Sports management.
Acha, okay.
Okay, I just wanted to check like the college still have those sheds.
Okay. How many are still studying in KIET? Do the college still have those sheds? Sheds. नहीं किसी को मालूम है वो shed अभी भी है तो बता दो. Okay, we'll come back to that.
Fun and चाय पे चर्चा.
Come on, everybody, smile. Thank you. And
Kite started its journey 25 years back, and it started with a very small intake. But now Kite is reaching all milestones, every part of the globe. It is your hard work, your dedication that is making us feel proud every day. I would like to welcome each one of you to this Bengaluru chapter Alumni Meet 2.0. I would like to only say that Kite, the footprints that you have left behind, we are working very hard with the students to walk on the same footprints and set new benchmarks and follow your path. And I am also really proud to say from the Department of Corporate Relations Placement Center, we come across the students and their journeys of life and we keep on hearing their life experiences. What I have seen is that our alumni, you people and everybody across the globe who are working in the different corporate environments, they are helping our students whenever they need it. Be it a mentorship for any interview, be it a mentorship for any project or any kind of referrals. So this support from alumni is helping us as a lifeline in contributing to the career of our students. So I thank each one of you by directly participating in this journey for the students, for your juniors on the campus, off the campus. Probably students who have already passed out, and I can see from the crowd today, people are connected after being passed out and from different branches and different years of passing. You people are still connected with your Kiteans in Bangalore. So it gives us even more excitement, like our Kite alumni family is still maintaining the similar kind of relationship. So thank you everyone for being here, for finding out time from your busy schedules and being the part of this alumni chapter at Bengaluru. I would end up my speech with two things. One is a thank to all of you, and the second is a promise to all of you that we'll keep working hard the way we have been doing so far and keeping the flag of Kite high. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.
We have started this association back in 2018 with the vision from Dr. Manoj Goel and Dr. A. Garg. और आज वो मुझे साकार होता लग रहा है. We have got 170 plus people with family and 125 people of from KIT Institute from various batches. A big round of applause for yourself, sir. Right. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है जब आप दूसरे शहर में रहते हो, क्योंकि आप सब लोग और हम बहुत सारे लोग अब यहाँ से नहीं थे. And Alumni Association is a step towards putting all of us together. और ये जो chapter events हम कर रहे हैं, it's very very important. हमने इस vision से start किया था कि कभी परदेश में हम जाएंगे और वहाँ कोई हमें नहीं जानता होगा तो कोई तो हमें ज़रूर जानता होगा because of our alma mater. So I hope कि ये event आपको उस तरीके से बांधेगा. Will bring all of you together. I am from 2002 batch. और I think 2022-23 तक के बैच के अपने alumni यहाँ पे आज हमको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और आपके फैमिली. The objective of this alumni association कि हम किसी न किसी फॉर्म में अपने एसोसिएशन के मेंबर्स को जोड़ के रखें और उनको किसी न किसी फॉर्म में हम engage रखें. We have started I remember we have helped many families, people, colleagues with their jobs. With oxygen, I think the COVID times, the bad period of our life. But आज वो it's turning out to be a great success. और ये हमारा second Bengaluru chapter है. We are going to have another chapter in Hyderabad real soon in August or September. We have to figure out dates. And followed by our reminiscence back in NCR. So अगर आप जहाँ भी हो, please help join us, guys. अरे सुन लो भाई थोड़ी सी बात. Thank you. Okay, so important thing कि हमें इस association का member बनना है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि we have started with 500, 250 and 500 and 1000 rupees का membership. क्यों? Because we wanted people की कुछ contribute करें, which will have some fund in corpus, और वो हम कहीं ना कहीं इस तरीके के format में use करेंगे to bring us together. अभी we are also thinking and reviewing our policy as an association with Kumar, Vinay, Arjita and Vinod, which is the current functionary, कि हम इसको free कर दें. Would people keep it still engaged, and how we will get the funding, raise the money and all of that. But as of now, I request if you want to become a member, become a member. There is a QR code back somewhere there. Membership लीजिए, and we try to give it back in the form of chapter meets or the freshers party or the access to the resources from our college in terms of offering. So please become one of the member. We'll try to build some infrastructure so that we can keep engaging in some of the similar format और हम इसे ही engage रहें. With that thought, I will end my speech here or a talk here, and I like you to celebrate with you and your family for yet another visit for our chapter meet at Bengaluru. A big round of applause for yourself, guys.
It's a joint, love between you and me, and Kite has given us so much, and it has given us so much of memories, so much of students that wherever we go, in wherever city we go, we find Kiteans. And we always love each other. That's the beauty. मैं भी कुछ लोगों से मिला था कल 20 साल बाद, बट फिर भी उनसे बात करके मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हम लोग एक दूसरे से बहुत कनेक्टेड हैं. और अभी भी कुछ लोगों से अभी मिला कितने साल बाद, बट वी फील इन टच विद ईच अदर. जैसा हमारे बाकी जॉइंट डायरेक्टर सर ने भी बोला, मेरी आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने एल्यूमिनाइज का, अपने जूनियर्स का थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा. कोविड ने हम सब लोगों को ऑनलाइन बहुत अच्छा काम सिखा दिया. एंड प्लीज कनेक्ट विद योर जूनियर्स इन whatever way possible. Guide them, nurture them.
So, on behalf of Kite Group of Institution, I welcome you all in this alumni meet of Kite Group of Institution at Bangalore Chapter 2. I wish a continued success to all the alumni members here. I convey my sincere thanks to all of you that you come here and you spend your precious moment from your busy schedule. I feel that this event is very important and very useful, that you come together to share and to make your strong networking. One message from my side to all of you is that whenever you have some free time, to please feel free to be connected with your alma mater and your parent department. Thank you everybody and enjoy your day.
Thank you to everyone here. Thanks to the alumni, their family, their kids who are here. And I extend a heartfelt thanks to the management who always support and guide us, who has a vision to connect and collaborate with the alumni. And this is any alumni meet is a event where we can better connect with the alumni. And I think I always say one thing to the students when you are the students, मेहनत इतनी जोर से करना कि कामयाबी शोर मचा दे. And I observe it here. Many of the successful, all of you are successful in your future and doing great. When I see the KIT students working with across the globe with all the companies, it gives us the proud and pleasure that the KIT is delivering such kind of the academics and the other holistic development to the students, that the students are able to achieve the heights in their career. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Manoj Goyal, Joint Director, whose vision, whose support, whose guidance always gives us the confidence to arrange, organize such kind of the events. I just promise I'm not going to take more than 42 seconds, so I just extend a heartfelt thanks to Director Academic, Dean CSA, Dean Mechanical, CA members, CA President and other bodies. Also thanks to CRPC team, thanks to Roop for engaging the alumni in the activities, because it was really overwhelming while she was organizing all these activities, and I saw the response everyone from you. Also extend my heartfelt thanks to Aanchal, who was quite occupied since last 1 month and doing the great job, hard work she served. That is the reason that all of you are here.